Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 reasons that can cause eye muscle spasm. The most common reason is eye strain from a static load such as long sitting at the screen or book without periodic rest and relaxation. It's super necessary to develop a habit to give your eyes rest and to look around every minute so eyes can rest and refocus at this time. Second, stress very much strains the eye muscle and thereby interferes with refraction. A spasm can be the body's reaction to some bad situation. A person may have been scared or he imagined some terrible idea that something could happen and got stressed that could cause eye muscle spasm. A person urgently needs to overcome this fear and relax. Third, a sitting lifestyle and blood doesn't pass enough through all the veins and capillaries. Plus insufficient oxygen saturation and a failure can occur. Plus perhaps some kind of psychological problem turns out. It's important some physical activity during the day to improve blood flow, increase metabolism and for a better recovery process. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.